Hey everyone, welcome back to HowToHub. In this video, I'll show you how to buy Solana on Phantom Wallet. Let's get started. Phantom Wallet is primarily for storing crypto, not for buying it directly. To buy Solana, you need to use an exchange like Binance or Coinbase. First, deposit fiat currency like USD into your exchange account. Next, convert your USD into Solana on the exchange. Once you have Solana, go to the Withdraw section. Now open Phantom Wallet and tap on Deposit. Select Solana and copy your wallet address. Go back to the exchange, paste the wallet address, and confirm the withdrawal. The Solana network may experience delays due to congestion, so be patient and check back later if needed. Once the transaction is complete, you'll see your Solana in your Phantom Wallet under Recent Activity. And that's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to HowToHub for more easy tutorials. See you in the next one.